Okay. Sugar, chini. That's the next word.
Okay. Uh, Sugar is not good for health.
ठीक है. Very good sentence. बहुत अच्छा sentence. Sugar is not good for health. Second sentence बनाइए आप.
Mm, I like sugar in curry.
I like sugar in curry. मतलब गुजराती हो आप. मीठी करी अच्छी
नहीं,
लगती है आपको.
no, sir, I am
चलिए.
not a Gujarati.
No problem, no problem. I'm just joking. कोई बात नहीं. मेरे को sentence चाहिए. You can make any sentence. सही है.
Yes,
Very good sentence. Third
yes.
sentence.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Anu. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, I believe you and I are meeting for the first time on EnglishYaari today, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So, what can you tell me about yourself, first of all, Anu?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Anu Jagtap. I am from Madhya Pradesh, and I am a homemaker and blessed with one daughter. And now I want to learn English, so that's why I joined English Yari.
Okay. So, you want to improve your communication skills in English, basically, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. So, Anu, my name is Kishore Gurbani. I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan. And for close to 8 years now, I've been helping people like you to improve their communication skills in English, right?
Okay. Yeah. Great.
Okay, so you live in Madhya Pradesh, MP. So let's talk
Yes.
about the city that you belong to. What can you tell me about the city that you belong to?
Sir, I belong in Indore.
I belong to Indore.
I belong to Indore. Yes.
What can you tell me about Indore city?
Indore city is a very beautiful and had nice place is Rajwada, famous market.
Okay.
Yes.
So Rajwara is famous in Indore.
Yes, Rajwada is famous.
What else can you tell me about Indore?
Mandav. Mandav actually the place in Indore. Mandav.
Okay, so
And
what
that was
is? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
and that is a very beautiful place.
It's a very beautiful
Everyone
place.
want to visit Indore because Indore is the uh, number one city in cleaning for in
So Indore is the cleanest city in India, I
cleanest
believe,
city in
right?
India. Yes, right.
It has been awarded with the cleanest
Seven
city
times.
award for 7 times or eight
Seven
times, I
times.
believe, right?
Yes, right.
Hmm,
Yes.
amazing. Okay, good. And how long have you been living in Indore for right now?
Sir, I have been 8 years
You've been living in Indore for eight
for
years now.
8 years. Yeah. Yes, sir.
So city has developed, infrastructure has developed in the city,
Yes,
basically,
first.
right?
Yeah, right, right.
More else has developed.
Right.
Okay, let's talk about food in Indore. What can you tell me about food? So, what
So,
kind of food do Indoris eat?
the Indore is poha jalebi.
Poha jalebi is
Famous.
famous in Indore,
Oh,
right?
yeah, it's right.
And are you fond of eating poha jalebi?
Yes, sir. Sometime.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
What is your favorite food? If you wanted to eat something in Indore, what would you like to eat?
Sir, whenever I go and I want to like poha jalebi, I like.
Okay, good. So, Anu, if you could change one thing in Indore, what would you like to change in your city? For example, I live in Jaipur, right? So
Okay.
there are two things that I want to change in Jaipur. First is cleanliness. So we don't have a proper waste disposal system in the colonies. So if you look at the city, the main city, it is clean enough. If you look at the colonies, you'll find that we have a lot of garbage lying on the streets. So this is one area that I want to be improved. If the garbage is taken off the streets in the colonies, it will make the colonies a better place to stay in. And another thing is stray animals. We have a lot of cows, dogs, and cats walking around the streets in the colonies. So, if
Yes.
these animals could be taken care of, the stray animals could be taken care of, then it will make Jaipur a better place to stay in. Let us do an activity, all right?
Okay.
So this is a sentence formation activity, right?
Right.
So I will give you one word and I want you to form three sentences using one common word. ठीक है?
Okay. I will try.
आपको एक अक्षर के साथ तीन अलग सेंटेंसेस बनाने। आई विल हेल्प यू इन दिस एक्टिविटी। पहला सेंटेंस मैं बनाऊंगा आपके लिए, उसके बाद आपको अपना पहला सेंटेंस बनाना है, फिर दूसरा मैं बनाऊंगा, फिर आप दूसरा बनाएंगे और तीसरा मैं बनाऊंगा। ठीक है? So
Okay.
we will take turns forming three sentences using one common word.
Okay.
The first word is breakfast. I will
Mm.
form the first sentence. I have breakfast every morning at 8:30 a.m. अब आपको बनाना है अपना sentence.
In breakfast, for wording breakfast.
Yes, what is breakfast? तीन sentences बनाने हैं आपको। पहला बनाइए आप।
Okay. I make a breakfast. Um, I make a poha in breakfast.
I make poha in breakfast, not I make a poha in breakfast. अ नहीं
I make,
लगता है।
okay. I
I
make
make
poha
poha in
in
breakfast.
breakfast.
ठीक है?
Yes.
सेकेंड सेंटेंस में बनाता हूँ। I like to have coffee and fruits for breakfast every day. You
Okay.
don't have to relate yourself to the topic or the word. You can just form any common sentence. ठीक है?
Okay.
बनाइए
Okay.
आप।
My daughter likes where my daughter likes fruits and milk in breakfast.
ठीक है। My daughter likes fruits and milks in breakfast. That's a very good sentence. Third, the next word is shoes. जूते. I lost my shoes when I went to the temple last week. अब आपको बनाना है सेकंड सेंटेंस। ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है मेरे साथ, ये तो सेंटेंस है ये।
Yes, sir. Um, my daughter does not wear shoes when she play outside.
When she goes to play outside, जब वो
When
जाती है बाहर
she
खेलने के
जाती
लिए।
है.
When
When
she
she
goes, जब वो जाती है।
okay, okay. When
ठीक
she
है?
goes outside. Okay.
When she goes to play outside. चलो, we'll form this with another word, biscuit.
Biscuit.
अब आप स्टार्ट कीजिए सेंटेंस। देखो मैं आप बना सकते हो या नहीं बना सकते हो।
Biscuit, right?
हाँ जी, बिस्किट।
Biscuit.
My
Um,
daughter likes to eat biscuits. आपकी छोटी बेटी है, बिस्किट्स उसको अच्छे लगते होंगे, राइट?
yes, yes,
अच्छे लगते हैं नहीं लगते हैं, that doesn't matter, the sentence is what matters, right?
yes, yes.
बनाइए आप सेंटेंस बनाइए, कोशिश कीजिए आप। Don't
I don't prefer biscuit for my daughter because
it is sweet.
it is yeah it is very sweet, so I don't want to give her.
Okay, so I don't prefer biscuits for my daughter because they are very sweet.
They are very sweet.
अगर बिस्किट्स बोलते हो तो फिर दे यूज करना पड़ेगा।
Yes,
अगर बिस्किट, एक बिस्किट की बात करते हो तो फिर इट यूज कर सकते हो। अगर बिस्किट्स एक से ज्यादा की बात
they.
करते हो आप तो फिर दे यूज करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इट सिंगुलर होता है, दे प्लूरल होता है। ठीक है?
Okay. Yes, sir.
बनाइए दूसरा सेंटेंस बनाइए आप।
Biscuit. Mm,
आई लाइक टू ईट मोनाको बिस्किट्स, और आई लाइक टू ईट पार्ले जी बिस्किट्स। ये भी तो
my daughter.
सेंटेंस हो सकते हैं।
Okay, my daughter likes Good Day biscuit.
माय डॉटर लाइक्स गुड डे बिस्किट्स, वेरी गुड सेंटेंस। थर्ड सेंटेंस बनाइए अभी आप।
uh, Biscuits make uh, from maida. Maida, what is the called in English?
Biscuit is made from maida. Maida is called refined flour, I believe, right?
Refined. Okay, okay, refined.
Refined flour. Hmm.
So biscuit
चलिए,
make
biscuit
from
is made from
make
maida
from
or refined flour, right?
refined. Okay,
Your next word is television.
television. Um, whenever my daughter always prefer watch in television, Masha and the Bear.
My daughter always prefers to watch Masha and the Bear
Okay. In television. No? On
on
television.
television, not in
On
television,
television.
on television.
On
Very
television.
good.
I
Smart
have a smart
television at home,
television at home.
right?
Right.
स्मार्ट टीवी है ना आपके पास?
Yes.
आजकल किसके पास नहीं होते हैं, सबके पास
Sabke
स्मार्ट
paas.
टीवीज होते हैं,
Yes.
right? This is a very
Right.
simple sentence. I have a smart television at home,
Yes.
right?
Right.
Indore, that is the next word. आपका शहर.
Indore is the cleanest city.
Indore is the cleanest city of India.
Yes. Indore is the cleanest city of the India.
Of India, of the India नहीं, the नहीं लगेगा, of India.
Okay. Of India.
अगर आप बोलोगे इंदौर इज द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी, दिस इज नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. आपको
Okay.
ऑफ इंडिया बोलेंगे तभी सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल रहेगा आपका. तो
Okay.
आपको वर्ड्स ऐड करने हैं सेंटेंसेस में जो कंप्लीट करेंगे मीनिंग सेंटेंस का जो है. ठीक है,
Okay. Okay.
गुड. सेंटेंस इज वीकेंड, सैटरडे एंड संडे.
Again. Uh, my family. My family prefer that every weekend we all together at home
We like to spend, you can say my family and I like to spend time together at home during the weekends,
during the weekends. Okay.
right?
Right.
ठीक है, very good. Second sentence बताइए आप.
Uh, I
I get up late during the weekends.
weekend.
ठीक है,
Okay.
सेंटेंस ही
Yes.
होना चाहिए ना. आप लेट उठते हो नहीं उठते हो क्या वो फर्क
Yes.
नहीं पड़ता है. यू हैव टू फॉर्म द सेंटेंस यूजिंग द वर्ड. मेरे को मालूम है आप 7 बजे उठ जाते होंगे,
Yes.
बट झूठ मूठ का तो सेंटेंस बनाना है. यू हैव टू यूज द वर्ड इन द सेंटेंस. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम
Right.
ट्राइंग टू से. ठीक है, दो
Right.
चीजें हैं जब भी आप सेंटेंस बनाते हो. एक तो झूठ बोलना है आपको, बिना झूठ जब तक कहानी नहीं बनाओगे तब तक आपका सेंटेंस नहीं बनेगा. दूसरी
Okay.
बात ये है कि जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको उसी सिचुएशन में डालना है अपने आप को. यू कैन
Yes.
क्रिएट एन इमेजिनरी स्टोरी, कोई भी सेंटेंस बनाना है.
Okay, sir. Right.
ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
ओके. शुगर, चीनी, दैट्स द नेक्स्ट वर्ड.
Okay. Uh, Sugar is not good for health.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड सेंटेंस, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस. शुगर इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. सेकंड सेंटेंस बनाइए आप.
Mm, um, I like sugar in curry.
आई लाइक शुगर इन करी, मतलब गुजराती हो आप, मीठी करी अच्छी
Nahi?
लगती है आपको.
No, sir. I am
वेरी,
not a Gujarati.
नो प्रॉब्लम, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग. कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को सेंटेंस चाहिए. यू कैन मेक एनी सेंटेंस. सही है,
Yes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड सेंटेंस. थर्ड
Yes.
सेंटेंस. केक इज मेड विद शुगर. केक
Cake.
चीनी
Cake.
के साथ बनता है या चीनी से बनता है.
से बनता है. Okay. Cake made with sugar.
केक इज मेड विद शुगर.
Cake
इज
is made with
मेड.
sugar.
ठीक है, दिस विद द लास्ट वर्ड. डॉल, गुड़िया.
Doll. Um, I have mm, so many. I have many dolls in my room because of my daughter.
Okay, I have many dolls in my room because of my daughter. Very good. Okay, Anu, how did you enjoy your session today?
Sir, I also enjoyed your session.
Was it hard? Was it easy?
Easy, very easy.
Very
So
easy.
interesting. It's very
So,
interesting. Thank you so much, sir.
no, you don't have to thank me. This is what I'm here to help you with on the platform. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend.
Same
खूब
to you, sir.
मस्ती कीजिए. And I'm looking forward to meeting again. Okay?
Yes.
All
Okay.
right. See you then, Anu.
I'll
All the
see
best to you. Bye.
you. Bye, sir.